Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Chat. I'm Anna Davis.
And I'm Jason Gray. Thanks for joining us for another fun and easy English conversation.
Today, we're talking about holidays and celebrations. Everyone around the world loves holidays, right?
Of course, holidays are special. People relax, spend time with family, eat good food, and enjoy traditions.
That's right. In this episode, we'll help you learn how to talk about holidays in English, what you do, how you celebrate, and what makes each holiday special.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything simple and slow, perfect for English beginners.
So, get comfortable, relax, and enjoy this episode of Easy English Chat.
Let's start with a few warm-up questions to get in the holiday mood.
Jason, what is your favorite holiday of the year?
That's an easy one. Christmas. I love the music, the lights, and the feeling of happiness everywhere.
A classic choice. What do you usually do at Christmas?
I spend time with my family. We decorate a Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and eat a big meal together.
Sounds wonderful. What kind of food do you usually eat?
Usually turkey, mashed potatoes, and some kind of dessert. Maybe apple pie or cookies. What about you, Anna?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Eve. I like it because it feels new, like a fresh start.
I like that. Do you make resolutions like, I will exercise more, or I will study English every day?
Yes, every year I say I will eat less sugar, but after 1 week I forget.
That happens to everyone. What do you usually do on New Year's Eve?
I go out with friends, watch fireworks, and say Happy New Year at midnight.
That's a great phrase to know. Happy New Year. Everyone, repeat after us. Happy New Year.
Nice job! You can say that to friends or family when a new year begins. Let's talk about holidays that we celebrate with family, like birthdays or family reunions.
Yes, birthdays are probably the most common celebration in the world.
Right! Everyone has one. What do you usually do for your birthday, Jason?
I usually invite a few friends, have dinner, and maybe play board games. Nothing too big.
Sounds cozy. Do you eat cake?
Of course, you can't have a birthday without cake. My favorite is chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. I like fruit cake with cream. And what do people usually say to you on your birthday?
They say, Happy birthday.
Right. Let's practice that. Repeat after us, everyone. Happy birthday!
Good job. That's an easy and useful English phrase.
Jason, do you like giving gifts?
I do. I enjoy finding small things that make people smile. How about you?
Yes, I love giving gifts. It's not about how big or expensive it is, it's about showing love.
That's true. Even a small gift like a card or flowers can make someone very happy.
Exactly. What about family holidays like Thanksgiving or Lunar New Year?
Those are nice too. Thanksgiving is about being thankful and eating a big meal together.
Yes, many people say what they're thankful for: family, friends, good health.
That's a great English word, thankful. It means you feel happy because of something good in your life.
For example, I'm thankful for my family. Repeat after us, everyone. I'm thankful for my family.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about celebrations from different countries.
Yes, there are so many interesting ones. For example, in India, people celebrate Diwali, the Festival of Lights.
That's a beautiful celebration. People light lamps, wear colorful clothes, and visit family and friends.
In Thailand, they have Songkran, which is the Thai New Year. People splash water on each other.
That sounds like fun. I'd love to visit Thailand during Songkran.
In China, there's Chinese New Year. People decorate their homes with red colors and give red envelopes with money.
Yes, it's a symbol of good luck and happiness. So, if you meet someone who celebrates Chinese New Year, you can say, Happy New Year too.
In the United States, Independence Day, July 4th, is very big. People have barbecues and fireworks.
Fireworks again. They really are popular in many celebrations.
Yes, fireworks are like a symbol of joy and freedom.
What about festivals?
Oh, yes, like music festivals or food festivals. People celebrate culture, food, and art.
I love food festivals. You can try food from many countries, and it's a great chance to practice English with new people.
That's a good tip. Talking about holidays or festivals is an easy topic for small talk in English.
Exactly. You can ask questions like, what holidays do you celebrate in your country? What food do you eat on special days? Do you like big celebrations or small ones?
Simple, natural, and fun questions. Perfect for everyday conversation.
Let's review some words from today.
Word 1. Celebrate. It means to do something special for an important day. For example, we celebrate New Year with fireworks.
Word 2. Tradition. Something people do every year or in every family. For example, eating cake on your birthday is a tradition.
Word 3. Holiday. A day when people don't work and can relax or have fun. For example, my favorite holiday is Christmas.
Word 4. Festival. A big celebration with food, music, or dancing. For example, we have a music festival every summer.
Word 5. Thankful. To feel happy and grateful for something. For example, I'm thankful for my friends.
Perfect. Try to use these 5 words in sentences this week. And now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes, today's question is, what is your favorite holiday and how do you celebrate it?
Write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your answers from around the world.
Thanks for joining us on Easy English Chat.
We'll see you in the next episode. Keep smiling, keep practicing English, and enjoy your holidays.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!